To activate and use reader mode in the Samsung Internet app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Samsung Internet app, tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then tap Setting. Scroll down the screen, tap Useful Features. Under Address Bar section, tap the gray on-off switch next to Show Reader Mode button until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To use reader mode, tap the back key twice. Open a web page. Tap the reader mode icon in the address bar to show a simplified version of the currently open web page. Once you are finished reading, you can tap the reader mode icon again to view the original version of the web page. Given to the function, using reader mode when viewing a web page will make reading easier and more comfortable because it removes ads, pop-ups, and distracting elements. It focuses on the main content, making text clearer and more readable, which is especially helpful for long articles or when you want to avoid visual clutter. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.